In this segment, I'll be discussing about the introductory part of amines. What are amines? Amines, they are important class of organic compounds derived by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms by ammonia molecule by alkyl or aryl groups. In nature, amines, they occur among proteins, vitamins, alkaloids and hormones. And synthetic examples of amines include polymers, dyestuffs and drugs. Two biologically active compounds, namely adrenaline and ephedrine, both containing secondary amino group, they are used to increase blood pressure. Novocaine, a synthetic amino compound, is used as an anesthetic in dentistry. Benadryl, a well-known antihistaminic drug, also contains tertiary amino group. And quaternary ammonium salts, they are used as surfactants. Diazonium salts, they are intermediates in the preparation of variety of organic compounds including dyes. Here we will be discussing about amines, structure of amines, nomenclature, preparation, properties. First let us discuss about the general amines and then structure of amines in detail. What are amines? Amines, they are considered as derivatives of ammonia which are obtained by the replacement of 1, 2 or all the 3 hydrogen atoms by alkyl groups. And we can see these examples. In ammonia, 1 hydrogen atom is replaced by methyl group. Here in the case of ammonia, 1 hydrogen atom is replaced by a phenyl group. Here 2 hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by 2 methyl groups. In this case, all the hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by 3 methyl groups. Next one is about the structure of amines. Like ammonia, nitrogen atoms of amines, they are found to be trivalent in nature and they carry an unshared pair of electrons. The geometry of amine is found to be pyramidal and the nitrogen orbitals in amines, they are found to be sp3 hybridized in nature. Here you can see the structure. Each of the 3 sp3 hybridized orbitals of nitrogen atom, they overlap with orbitals of hydrogen or carbon depending upon the composition of amines. The 4th orbital of nitrogen in all amines contains an unshared electron pair or unshared pair of electrons. Due to the presence of unshared pair of electrons, the angle CNE angle, where E is carbon or hydrogen, is less than 109.5 and here it is found to be 108 degree in case of trimethylamine. Next one is classification of amines. Amines, they are classified as primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine depending upon the number of hydrogen atoms replaced by alkyl or aryl groups in ammonia molecule. If one hydrogen atom of ammonia is replaced by R or Ar, it is known as primary amine. If 2 hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by 2 alkyl groups or aryl group, it is known as secondary amine. The second alkyl or aryl group may be same or different. Replacement of another hydrogen atom from the secondary amine leads to the formation of tertiary amine. Amines are said to be simple. When amines are said to be simple? When all the alkyl groups or aryl groups are found to be the same. Amines are said to be mixed when these alkyl groups or aryl groups are found to be different. Next, let us discuss about nomenclature. We can learn nomenclature in a simple manner. Just remember the common name, that is alkyl amine, and IUPAC name as alkanamines. If you remember these two terms, alkyl amine and alkanamines, you can easily name the amines. You can easily name the organic compounds. For example, we can easily name this compound. That is, we can write the common name as well as IUPAC name. I said you have to remember the alkyl amine, term alkyl amine while giving common name. Here, what is the alkyl group present? The alkyl group is found to be ethyl, 2 carbon atoms. So, ethyl group. So, the alkyl group is found to be ethyl and then followed by amine. So, the common name is found to be ethylamine. Common name is found to be ethylamine. And next one is IUPAC name, alkanamines. Alkanamines. Here, one hydrogen atom is replaced by the amino group. What is the parent alkane? Ethane. So, ethanamine. IUPAC name of this compound is found to be ethanamine. Ethanamine. The E of alkane is replaced by amine. So, here the alkane is ethane. It's replaced. The E of alkane is replaced by amine. So, the name of this compound is found to be ethanamine. Let's see few more compounds. Let's see the IUPAC and common names of few more compounds. Here, how many carbon atoms are present? Numbering must be done from here. 1, 2, 3. So, 3 carbon atoms means the parent alkane is found to be propane. So, here we are having propyl. The alkyl group is found to be propyl. Propyl followed by amine. So, the common name is found to be, common name is found to be N-propyl amine. N-propyl amine. N-propyl amine. Okay, what is the IUPAC name? I said you have to remember the term alkanamine. So, the alkane is found to be what? Propane. So, the IUPAC name is found to be propanamine. IUPAC name is found to be propanamine. IUPAC name is found to be propanamine. If you want to write we have to write the position, no? So, first carbon atom, is it not? So, propan 1 amine. You have to name like this. So, we can write properly propan 1 amine. Propan 1 amine. Okay, this is the name of the compound. Next one is CH3, CHNH2, CH3. Here, how many carbon atoms are present? 3 carbon atoms. So, the parent alkane is found to be propane. One hydrogen atom of propane is replaced by NH2. That is the second carbon atom. Numbering can be done from right hand side or from left hand side, because the middle carbon atom will carry the number 2 position. So, here the common name of this compound is isopropyl amine. Isopropyl amine. What is the IUPAC name? The amino group is attached to the second carbon. Okay. So, here what is the parent alkane? Propane. E of alkane is replaced by what? Amine. So, the IUPAC name is found to be propan 2. Second position. In second position, we have added this amino group. So, propan 2 amine. This is the IUPAC name. This is the IUPAC name. Let's see the next compound. Here, see, we are having 2 different alkyl groups. So, this is an example of mixed amine. Here we are having ethyl group. Here we are having methyl group. So, how we have to name this compound? What is the common name of this compound? This is the ethyl group. This is the methyl group. So, according to alphabetical order, we will be having ethyl followed by methyl. So, the common name of this compound is ethyl methylamine. Ethyl methylamine. Ethyl methylamine. And what is the IUPAC name of this compound? What is the IUPAC name of this compound? N-methyl ethanamine. N-methyl ethanamine. The IUPAC name of this compound is N-methyl ethanamine. Ethanamine. Next, this compound is found to be different from the previous compound. What is the difference? The main difference is the double bond. How numbering has to be done? Which carbon will have the least? The substituent carbon will have the least. 1, 2, 3. What is the common name of this compound? Allyl amine. Allyl amine is the compound. You have learnt about allyl alcohol. Allyl amine is the common name of this compound. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? 3 carbon atoms are there. So the parent alkane is found to be propane. In that we are having a double bond. So it is an alkene. So the IUPAC name of this compound is prop. Second position we are having the double bond. Prop 2-ene 1. First position we are having the amino group 1 amine. So the IUPAC name of this compound is prop 2-ene 1 amine. What is the name of this compound? The common name as well as the IUPAC name is found to be the same. It is nothing but aniline. It is nothing but aniline. C6H5NH2 aniline. The IUPAC name also it is known as aniline or benzenamine. Aniline or benzenamine. Next, we are having aniline, but in the second position, we are having CH3. What is the name of this compound? The common name is found to be orthotoluidine. TOLUIDINE. Because in the ortho position, that's why orthotoluidine. And what is the IUPAC name? It is 2-amino toluene. C6H5CH3 is toluene. Second position we are having the amino group. So 2-amino toluene. 2-amino toluene is the IUPAC name of this compound. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? NN dimethyl. 2 methyl groups are there. Dimethyl benzenamine. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Then what is the common name? NN dimethyl aniline. N, dimethyl aniline. Dimethyl aniline. And what is the IUPAC name? Instead of aniline, we can say benzenamine. So N, dimethyl benzenamine. Likewise, you can practice with many organic compounds.